If you look closely in this shot, you can see the wire.
One morning, they arranged some trucks and went away for more.
He was still cross when they reached the top station. Sir Handel was hoping for a rest, but his driver thought otherwise. Sir Handel thought he had made George go away. The fat controller spoke to Duncan. No passengers means no polish. No polish means no passengers, Duncan muttered to himself. He still has a lot to learn, doesn't he?
Old sidings, straight into a muddy pool.